How to fix live option not showing on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix to get your live option back. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your TikTok app. If not, head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. If you see update sign here, update your app. Now the next thing you can do is go onto your phone's settings. Here, scroll below and go onto apps. Search for TikTok. Go onto storage and clear the cache. Now check if you can see your live option. If not, go onto your TikTok. In order to be live on TikTok, make sure that you have 1,000 followers or so. Tap onto your profile, and if you don't have 1,000 followers or less than 1,000 followers, then you cannot go live on TikTok. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.